6. He deals it, swinging a ground ball routinely to second base. You will have an easy look first for an out. I reckon, well, of course, Wallace was sprinting down the line, but they were still able to take care of him. Nice assist to second by Chris Cook. The stretch by Palafox. He deals to Hale. It is ground to right short. This is going to be a double play ball to second, to first. He takes his foot off the base as Hale is safe, but Krebs is out at second, though, so somewhat off. Here comes the right-hander Palafox into a stretch. 2-0. Lined up the middle, it's going to be diving catch! My goodness, give me some cheesesteak! A diving catch at second base, and he pegged it to short to complete the double play. The one-strike pitch. It is lined over short. It's going to be in there for a base hit to left center. To my knowledge, that's the Seagulls' first base hit and first base runner of tonight's game. Here comes the one-strike pitch. Swinging a ground ball down in the hole. Base hit to right field. Here comes the lead runner. He's got the ball struggling, throwing to third base. We have a play. He is safe! Thompson scores, and Fishboat stops at third ahead of the play. So the one-strike pitch, runner goes. Pitch is low. Throw to second base. Center can be not in time. Cole Gabrielson steals second base and does a virtual Seagull wingspan. Here comes the pitch to Scott. Scott on the first pitch to right field. Right fielder comes in a little bit shallow. He makes the play and no chance to double off Kiesling. One down for Reno here in the fourth inning. Doubleheader right here at 11 a.m. Runner goes. Pitch is the ball throw to second base, and it's going to be not in time. It was kind of a semi-bounce throw. But here comes the pitch to Hale. It is ground ball. This is a double play ball. Oh, it's underneath his glove! Here comes the lead runner. He's going to come across. So the Rams score courtesy of a self-inflicted wound by the Seagulls defense. Looked like it would be a 6-4 to 3 double play. That was easier said than done.
Number 5, Santiago.
Stretched by Palafox. Comes the 2-2 runners go. Pitch strike three called, and that leaves two out there, but nevertheless, Reno does tie the score. After 3.5, Reno 1, San Francisco 1. Comes a stretch by the righty Santos. He deals it. He bunts it in front of the dish. It's going to be pounced on. He has to come for one. Barehanded. No throw! And now the Sox pack with Seagulls. Nobody out. 3-2 count. So Dirk and the Seagulls hoping for base hitter, ball four, or maybe sack fly. Any of those scenarios will generate the go-ahead run for the Seagulls. Santos ready. 3-2 payoff, swing and a miss, and just like that, 2 down for San Francisco here in the fourth. Here comes the pitch to Gabrielson. Swing on his guy to left, down the line, hammered, it's a fair ball! And Cole Gabrielson's going to have to hustle for first double throw. It's going to be in ahead of him. Save! A double for Gabrielson. He somehow, the throw was ahead of him, and he was in there!
Number 17.
I tell you what, Cole just spanked that one to the left field corner, and it was a two-baser. Stretched by the righty. 1-2. Swinging a ground ball, passing on to second base. This will be a pretty productive out. Throws to first in plenty of time. The stopping on third is Gabrielson. One away, but the go-ahead run just 90 feet away. Here comes the pitch to Felix. Swinging a ground ball down third base. Past the dive of the third baseman and throw. Gabrielson will come across, so the Seagulls take the lead here in the fifth. 3-2, swinging a slow chopper, passing out, and it's just parts the plate, pounced on by the catcher. He throws to first, just got him, but the runner, throw to third base, oh no, the St. Felix are going to be caught between, the throw's off the bullseye! My goodness, this is chaotic! And now the trail runner is going to have to retreat back second. Oh, dude, this is going to be the baseball rendition of Randall Cunningham against Buffalo. Oh my, that's going to be a tag. And this It was, yeah, what a fiasco. Here comes pitch to Roberts. A little fly ball to shallow center. It's going to be a catch and stride. Noah's going to take a gamble. It's going to throw. It's going to be in. No, he's safe as a sac fly produces a tie. Throw to third. Challenge it. Oh boy! He left too soon. Somehow the Seagulls dodge a bullet. As after 5.5, wow, I guess the fact that the runner left too soon, the run has been nullified. Here it comes. When it goes as a ball and a struggle by the catcher, so an uncontested stolen base credited to Jack Thompson. Here comes the 1-0. Swinging a sky to center field. He hammers it. Center fielder on his horse, racing back. He makes an amazing catch. Here comes pitch to Demon. It is scrum ball right to there. There's an right back and a stuff throw to the plate. He's going to be nailed. I reckon. No, he's going to be in the cup between. But oh, he's tagged. Oh, give me some cheesecake. The tying run was nailed. He deals the 2-2. It's swinging the line over left field. It's going to be a base hit! As the struggle, as one run will come across station to station, and the Seagulls have an insurance run at long last. 3-1 Seagulls. Here it comes. Oh, did it hit him? No, it did not graze him, but the runner takes second on what is going to be declared a wild pitch. So Krebs takes second, so it's an even count of 2-2. 2-2 to Hale. It is strike 3 called. Oh man, I'm getting some cheesecake. According to Can 2, it is high chopper down to he barehands it, throws first, and the Seagulls say 10-0 to Santiago. A barehanded field by Pizzo when he throws a bazooka to first to retire the side. Stretch the pitch. Scrum ball hit the third base line. Fair ball! Past the diving third baseman. Look at Robert Street. He's going to have to hustle for his ball. Throw! Not in time! A leadoff two-baser for Noah Roberts. Now the Rams have reason. 1-2 again. Ball skips the backstop. A ricochets away. There goes the runner racing into third by virtue of what I believe is going to be a wild pitch. Craig into a stretch. 0-2 offering. Ball game! A foul tip into the catcher's glove, and the Seagulls win it as they play the number by Cool in the net.